test driving Horhays boat. How you doing?
Hey, good.
He's trying to figure out what's going on. Oh, so then it kind of died out. Let's see what happens. Set this down, try to figure out what's happening. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Because I think down here, it's maybe too much, like idle, it needs to probably come up a little. Because it should be about this.
Like that?
Or
a little bit less.
About there.
If you.
So like, that could be adjusted. I don't know if this still works or not. But
okay. It's not
cool
like
little boat.
Yeah.
I'd probably want to be down more.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But it's cool.
Yeah.
But see, to drive,
to
drive this right, you need this switch working. Because like when we get out of the channel, I'll have you sit there, and if you move that up and down, you'll see a difference in how the motor performs.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Because when you want to start out with it all the way down.
Yes.
And then bring it up, and that'll plane it out and stuff. But we'll see how it runs. See, it's not like it's. So go back and lower the motor, like bring it down.
Put it down?
Yeah.
That?
Yeah. Now hang on. Bring it up some. Bring it up a little more.
You can hear a little.
Yeah.